So, Arush, can you tell me what companies are getting wrong at evals?
I think the issue is people are blindly trusting open source benchmarks and the benchmarks that are like academic standards. I think companies and individuals should build benchmarks for their own specific use cases. So if you look at a 90% on MMLU from Anthropic, it's not the same as a 90% on MMLU from OpenAI. Luckily, we have OpenBench, which is an open source provider agnostic eval framework that we built at Groq that is trying to solve this very problem.
Yeah, OpenBench is amazing. We've been using it at the Rootly AI Labs, and we even got a contribution accepted a few days ago. Yay! One of the benchmark developed by Rootly is now available on Groq. So what can companies do and achieve using OpenBench?
I think it makes it super easy for people to implement their own evals and allow other people to benchmark based off of them as well. It's a great way for companies to give back to the community and build better evals that everybody can use for their own specific use cases. What you guys did with your SRE-based benchmark GMCQ is amazing.
LLMs are used across the stack in a company. How do you think companies are usually picking these models, and what's wrong with it?
I think it's, once again, blind trust in industry standard benchmarks. The only good eval is an eval that you've built for your very specific use case. An MMLU score is not going to correlate to how good a model is at function calling for like software reliability agents, right? For that, you need to build your own eval and you need to rigorously test any of the frontier models for your specific use case.
So if people want to dip their toes in the eval world, how can they get started?
Openbench.dev is a great place with a lot of documentation about how to run evals, what evals are best for specific use cases, and trying to reproduce a bunch of open source benchmarks would be the best path forward.
Amazing. Thank you, Arush.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sylvain.